a request for protection from stalking that was filed in this matter. It was filed back on March 17th, 2025. I'm sorry, March 16th, 2025. Mr. Priest, you were personally served on March 17th, 2025.
Yes.
Okay. Both parties understand that this is being broadcast by Zoom or by YouTube. That is required to make this an open public hearing. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Jeremy Priest, you understand that Callie is requesting a restraining order at this time?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. Are you opposed to her having a restraining order?
I mean, I haven't talked to her in like a year, so I mean, I was sorry I went off on her the other day, but it was not 19 voicemail.
Okay. I don't want to get into your case just yet. Right now, I'm simply asking, she's requesting a restraining order. Are you agreeable to that or are you opposed to that?
I mean, I don't really want to talk to her again, so am I opposed? What? Yeah, I'm opposed to it.
Notice how Jeremy immediately resists the restraining order, even after admitting he hasn't spoken to Callie in a year. This is a critical moment, because the law doesn't just consider the absence of contact, it examines patterns of intimidation and harassment. By opposing the order, Jeremy signals that he wants to keep some level of control. But viewers, ask yourself, if he truly didn't want contact, why fight against a simple boundary meant to protect Callie? This tension sets the stage for everything that follows.
Okay. So, Ms. Callie Priest, you'll need to present your case.
Okay.
And you can call whatever witnesses you need to call.
Okay.
Present the evidence you wish to present to the court. And then, Mr. Priest, you'll have a chance to cross-examine her witnesses. And then, Mr. Priest, you'll have a chance to testify, and she'll have a chance to cross-examine you or any witnesses you choose to call, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, Ms. Callie Priest, who would you like to call first?
Just myself.
Okay. Would you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear and or affirm that the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, subject to the penalties for perjury in the state of Kansas.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're subjecting yourself to the jurisdiction of the state of Kansas for your testimony here today.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Okay.
Callie's testimony opens the floodgates. She recalls a barrage of disturbing texts where Jeremy shifts between anger, guilt, manipulation, and outright threats. This is textbook harassment behavior, the constant emotional flip-flopping designed to wear someone down. What stands out is not just the sheer number of messages, but the escalation, from random accusations to public Facebook posts exposing her phone number. Think about the psychological toll. How would you feel knowing your private information was broadcast for strangers to target?
Screen sharing.
All right. So this started around the end of January when he did not return my sister from a visit and I somehow got involved. I have had no contact with him since December and I have not seen him in months before that. So he first texted me talking about how he's upset with me and how I treated my sister was so wrong and that he's terrified I'm going to come kidnap my sister. Then saying he hates his uncle for how he treated him and he said he doesn't care or he doesn't know if he should care that he had a stroke and that I am my sister's sister and not her mother. He then 3 days later goes on to text me after I have not responded. I don't know if you have me blocked or not. I still love you. I want a future with you, but what you did and never will be okay again. You need to apologize and I'm going to yell at you if we ever talk again. And my parents had court on February 4th, and my sister got returned. He then went on to Facebook and posted a numerous amount of Facebook posts here, a few that have my name in them. He said, maybe my 18-year-old will talk to me again someday sooner. I might help her in a few years if she gets therapy. Callie is with her mom right now. Do I deserve to be on handcuffs on my porch? He then posts my phone number, accusations saying I illegally went through his car, and then asking why I was not calling him back. He then said he should have done this years ago and that he still would be talking to me and my youngest sister. He then posts those texts that I read to you earlier. He then posted my last conversation with him before that, and that was in December. He took my siblings to Topeka and promised my sister she could go to volleyball practice. He then said she couldn't go, so I offered to go to Topeka to get her, and so that's just what those text messages are. He then started commenting on some of his posts, saying that he will start sending my texts on here unless she wants to call me, and stories from Emmy unless Callie calls me too. I guess I'll have my lawyer get her arrested too. I have the proof. Then some more. I want Addie and Callie to be safe and happy here. I missed the F out of them. Ask Callie about the Christmas present I bought her. She has not been here since I bought it. Effing TikTok light. He then texted my boyfriend. This is all on the same night. He then texted my boyfriend saying, you need to break up with Callie, dude. And then that same night, the February 4th, texted me, might want to check Facebook, B word, have fun without my money. I bet mom is in a lot of credit card debt. She is crazy, Callie. Have fun in this town now. Sorry you made me do it. I'll be calling the cops again tomorrow about my car, regardless whether or not you drop her off. I will be turning you both in and will be pressing charges, then sent me random screenshots. And then he then texted my mom some things, and I'll just read what I was involved in. But he said, hope your phone number is fun to relearn. Callie will probably need a new one too. Talking about how he posted our phone numbers on Facebook and encouraging people to harass us. He then went on to send memes to me and my mom that night as well. Then on March 7th, I did not respond to any of those messages in between any of those. He then has left me alone since that February 4th until March 7th. And that is when, around the time I heard he returned to Ellis from my family, he was in Topeka with his brother and was in a mental health hospital for a while. So I just was working an overnight shift as a CNA in a nursing home, and I randomly get this text. So he texted me, your mother is an effing alcoholic child. I hope you aren't letting her drive you guys places. What the F has been going on over there, effing child? What the F is wrong with you, Callie? And all I said back was, Jeremy, please leave me alone. I truly hope you get the help you need.
And here's where the case takes a dark turn. A TikTok light, yes, a simple household object, becomes the symbol of Jeremy's obsession. He sends dozens of texts, demands it back, and follows it with 19 voicemails filled with profanity, rage, and humiliation. But here's the key legal takeaway. Stalking isn't always about physical presence. It's about creating a sustained atmosphere of fear. By threatening to involve the police, accusing Callie of theft, and insisting on control, Jeremy is doing exactly what Kansas law defines as stalking. Repeated, unwanted contact that would make a reasonable person fear for their safety.
And then he texts me, don't even bother, keep it up and you can go to jail for neglect too. I want my Xmas present back I bought you. You never even came over here to thank me for it. It better be on my effing porch in an hour, selfish child. I will call the cops on you. You have 1 hour. I want the light I bought back. Hurry the F up, daughter. Stop abusing me. Do you effing think I'm effing losing, or I'm effing back because I'm effing losing? What the F? I'm effing moving to Kansas City. My effing TikTok light on my porch by 8 p.m. Callie. Call Vanessa and talk to her. Ask your best friend how many times she effing called the cops on me. Are you getting drunk with her? He then went on to send me 19 voicemails throughout those text messages, and that Christmas present he is implying came home with my younger sisters. He did not. I didn't expect a Christmas gift. I didn't ask for a Christmas gift. He gave me a gift, or he gave a gift and sent it home with my sisters on Christmas Eve. And then here are those voicemails. Can you hear them okay?
Nothing's playing yet.
Okay, let me. Retry that.
You fucking stole that light from me, Callie. Where the
Can you guys hear it now?
Yes.
Okay.
fuck is it? It better be my fucking porch right fucking now. Where the fuck have you been, Callie? How dare you fucking treat me this way? What the fuck is wrong with you? You're going to fucking jail now for all I care. Evidence number one. I can use voicemails in court, just so you know. Emmy had ADHD medication in 3 different medication bottles by the time I got the pills. Evidence number two. By the time Emmy got back to your house when your mom fucking stole her from me, you already had her door off, her bedroom door. Kelly, you're going to jail now too. You better fucking call me back. Evidence number three. You fucking think you deserve my money and just think you could deserve to go places instead of me. You think you deserve to go to the ocean and see the ocean instead of me. You think you're entitled to my fucking money for some reason. Why do you think I have to pay for everything of yours for the rest of your life? You'll never see another fucking dime from me ever fucking again, Callie. Where the fuck is my light you stole from me? Bring my fucking TikTok light back right fucking now. I'm not giving it to you as a president. Give it fucking back to me. I bought it. Evidence number four. Why are you calling me back? I've not heard from you since like November. Or no, December, when you just felt, oh my God, Christmas happened. Whoa, where am I? I just think I'm better than everyone. You think you're an equal to me. You're my fucking daughter, Callie. You will always be my daughter. I will always be your father. Where the fuck is my TikTok light, Callie? You fucking thieving bitch! Bring me back the shit I fucking paid for. You don't fucking deserve it. You fucking stole it from me. Why the fuck is it on my porch now? You have 24 minutes before I start calling the police. Stop fucking continuing to help my ex-wife abuse me, Callie. Fucking daughter. Fuck you, Callie. Where the fuck is my TikTok light? Bring me my shit back. You don't fucking care about me. I guess I'm gonna have to get your fucking license pulled for abuse and neglect I've doing your fucking mother. I hope you chose the fucking right side, fucking piece of shit. Stop fucking your boyfriend, Callie. You're just fucking him all the time in your basement of your fucking house with the girls in the same fucking house. Fuck you. Bring my fucking TikTok light back right fucking now, Callie. Right fucking now. I guess I don't have to be fucking quiet about you in court either. TJ and Cordy, I already know everything.
Callie,
Yes.
Callie, I assume the rest of the messages are in the same vein as that.
Yes.
Did you catch that? The judge interrupts Callie and cuts off the voicemails after just a few minutes. Why? Because the content speaks for itself. The volume, the anger, the profanity. This wasn't just venting. It was evidence. Judges don't need to sit through 19 messages when the first handful already establish a clear pattern of harassment. This tells us something powerful. Sometimes, the proof of stalking isn't buried in complexity. It's right there in plain, undeniable words.
Okay. You can stop playing the messages.
Okay.
How many messages total were there?
19.
Anything else that you want to testify to, Callie?
Just about the rest of that night. He then went into a group chat with me and my mom saying that he's going to call the cops and file everything that my mom has done. That he's going to put those Facebook posts in the beginning, he took them all down, and he eventually, or then he said he was going to put them all back. He said I'll never get anything from him again for the first message, and that he should just call welfare checks on the house every day. He then went on to send numbers. There was my mom's number, Isaac from Options number, the Ellis Police Department's number, saying F you, Callie, again, that I better answer him now. He sent the court's number. He then said he's going to call them and tell them I stole a $150 lamp from his house. And that continued. I then not responded on text and blocked him later that evening. And he then reached out to me on Facebook Messenger saying he will never stop this. He weighed 120 pounds in Kansas City because of me and my mom's BS. What the F is wrong with you, B word? Give me my effing TikTok light back. I have a meeting with my lawyer soon. I've already called the cops on you. You're a selfish Barbie girl. You don't have health insurance anymore. I hope you get that figured out as an adult. Sorry, I'm not Jack like your best friend, my effing ex-wife wants me to be. He then went on to text my boyfriend again that night and said, I will never talk to Callie again, just so you know. She's a piece of S daughter and selfish and materialistic. She essentially stole that TikTok light from me. I hope you don't kill yourself dealing with her bullshit through the years like I do with my ex. Callie is a piece of S and at helping abuse Emmy. I sure the F hope you weren't helping them. So we then ended up talking to Ellis Police Department that evening, and they are requesting 2 charges of harassment and encouraged me to block him on all platforms and start the process of getting a restraining or no contact order on him. After he was served, he then was texting my family, my great aunt, saying, you want to control your effing family. And then I have heard he has been sending the no contact order to my aunts and uncles. And he texted my mom 2 days ago saying, 2 days, I cannot wait. And that is all I have. I am just reaching out to get this restraining order because as the cops encouraged me to do, I talked to my school and my workplace, and he's threatened my license already, and I don't want to have to live in the fear of my license being taken away because of things he said. And this just all started recently, so I am scared for my safety. I don't know how far he will go. We have installed security cameras, but
Callie describes how the harassment escalated to the point where police themselves advised her to seek a restraining order. This is crucial because law enforcement rarely gives that advice lightly. The officers identified multiple charges of harassment and encouraged her to cut contact completely. Viewers, this is a reminder. The justice system doesn't just step in after tragedy, it also acts preventatively. When warning signs show someone may be in real danger,
you never know if I'll see him in public, so.
Anything further, Callie?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Jeremy Priest, do you have any questions of Callie about her testimony?
Not really.
Okay. Do you have any additional witnesses?
I
Ms.
do not, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Priest, do you have any witnesses that you'd like to call?
I do not.
Okay. Your closing argument, Ms. Callie Priest?
Like I said, I just am requesting this restraining order for my safety and my future. I don't know how far he'll go. I don't know when this will stop. This just started happening of this year, and it just keeps the scene progressing, so I am nervous for my safety and for my future.
Do you have any closing argument, Mr. Priest?
I mean, I was just very upset, and I'm sorry I did it. Shouldn't have. I never called her job or anything. I've been through a lot, so and I haven't really talked to her in like 2 years. So, and I'm working with my lawyer about all the other stuff, not with her or with her mom, but I'm leaving her alone.
The court finds that the behavior that you've engaged in, Mr. Priest, would cause a reasonable person to fear for their safety based on the number of contacts you make, the abusive language in the contacts, the tone of your voice certainly would cause a reasonable person to fear for their safety. You've committed more than one act towards that, which constitutes stalking. So the court does find by preponderance of the evidence that you have committed stalking towards Callie.
This is the dramatic climax. The judge lays it out clearly. Jeremy's behavior, excessive contact, abusive language, threatening tone, crosses the line into stalking. By law, Callie doesn't have to prove physical violence, only that Jeremy's actions would cause a reasonable person to fear for their safety. And the evidence, from texts to voicemails, proves exactly that. The restraining order is granted. For Callie, this ruling isn't just paperwork, it's peace of mind, a legal shield protecting her from future harassment.
And the court is going to grant the restraining order that is requested.
Okay.
The restraining order will be in effect for 1 calendar year. That will be through April 1st, 2026. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Priest, you need to understand that this order of protection from stalking replaces the temporary order that was put in place. This will be in place for 1 calendar year through April 1st of 2026. Okay. You will not contact Callie Priest in any way, shape, or form,
Okay.
directly or indirectly or through a third person.
Okay.
Okay. If you need to contact her for any legal reason, have your legal representative contact her. But
Okay.
you're not to contact her, you're not to have third persons contact her, you're not to harass her directly or indirectly. That would include Facebook posting or other posting in social media referring to her.
Okay.
Okay? Don't do that. You are prohibited from coming around her or her family or her place of abode or her place of work. Okay?
Okay. I
No
don't.
contact with her, direct or indirect. You're also not to contact her employer and fellow employees, fellow workers, or others around her with communication that would likely cause annoyance or alarm to her, that you're contacting the people around her. That would include her boyfriend.
I
Don't
know.
contact him either.
I'm not
Okay?
going to.
Miss Callie Priest, what's your boyfriend's name?
Braden Binder,
BR.
Aydon, and then Binder.
Right. Mr. Priest, you need to understand that this order goes into effect today.
Okay.
Law enforcement can immediately enforce this order. This order will be placed with dispatch. They will enter at NCIC so that it is available throughout the United States.
Okay.
If you violate the order, it may constitute an offense under the Criminal Code of Kansas, including but not limited to violation of a protection order or stalking or assault or battery or criminal trespass or violation of a protection order. Okay?
Okay.
Those are criminal offenses for which you could be prosecuted. Violation of this order could also result in this order being extended. Normally, it would be extended a year or two for a violation. If it's a serious violation, it could result in a lifetime restraining order. You understand that?
Okay.
Okay. Violation of this order is punishable as contempt of court. You could be subject to serving county jail time and or a fine if you violate. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a concealed carry license?
I do not.
Okay, because a concealed carry license is subject to revocation if there's a restraining order against you.
Okay.
Okay. And you should probably not be possessing or carrying any weapons in public, because that would constitute criminal use of a weapon
Okay.
under Kansas statute for violating the restraining order and having a weapon on your person.
Okay.
Okay. Could also subject you to federal firearm restrictions under federal law.
Okay.
Do you have any questions about the restraining order?
No, I have her blocked and everything, so I don't want.
That order is in effect immediately, and it remains in effect through April 1st of 2026.
And there you have it. The restraining order granted, Jeremy legally barred from contacting Callie for 1 full year. This case reminds us just how powerful digital harassment can be. Posts, texts, and voicemails aren't just empty words. They can be evidence of stalking, intimidation, and abuse. The judge's ruling shows that courts will step in to protect victims when boundaries are crossed. What do you think? Was this ruling fair? Should restraining orders be extended longer in cases with this much evidence? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.